So now let's see how we can work around with the lens blur effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, I'm going to go around under effects and I'm going to go around under blur. And you can see that lens blur is an effect over here. So if I were to go around over here in composition, I can go around and bring in the lens blur effect. But I cannot go around and bring it into the editor view. That is because this is a layer only effect right here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto the composite sort that I have right here and bring in the lens blur onto this layer of mine. So once you do that, you can see that the lens blur is applied. And over here, you can see that you can go around and change around the radius of the blur right here. You can change around the focus distance right here and so forth. And you can see that the layer changes out. You can also go around, change out the focal range right here. And similarly, you can control out the blur level right here. Then you got the threshold over here as well. You can also go around and change around the brightness of the specularity over here in the blur and change around the quality level of the blur as well. And this is what you have, as you can see. If I were to go around and change, let's say for example, red, then what happens is that it only takes the red channel and blurs it out. If you were to do green, then what happens is that the green channel is blurred out. Luminance, then what happens is that the prior parts are blurred out. Lightness, then it blurs out the light areas. Abrase out and it abrases out, and so forth. As you can see, full on means full blur and full off means full off right here. You can see the different level of blur as you choose this out, as you can see. And this is how you can go around and apply out the lens blur, as you can see right here. So that is what you have. So that is how you can go around and utilize the lens blur. If you turn it off, then this is what you have. Turn it on, and then what happens is that this is what you have right here. So that is how you can work around with lens blur effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.